Talk about the generator, how to properly start it, where all the functions and stuff are at. You have the on switch here, just below the pull cord, the choke, and then you just pull the cord and it should start right up. Then after it warms up, you can shut the choke off, and we've hooked up the cord from the unit to the lighted box, and here we have another cord which is a twist lock going to the light. It'll run the light. So we have that hooked in there. We can also run our hearse tools off of here. These are all twist locks. And you can hear the generator when you start using the tool. It idles up, so it'll automatically do that on its own. We can add another tool. So we have two tools and a light running. So we're running that tool. There. Wasn't locked all the way. You got to push in on those. There's a rubber seal in there, and they're real hard sometimes to get them to lock. So we can run both of these simultaneously. We could hook up another tool, a ram, with an adapter. Because there's two household plugs on here. So now we have all three tools and a light going. We can run all these simultaneously. If you deadhead the ram, this will accelerate to give you the power that you need. But if you're using this tool and a ram and you deadhead this ram, you want to give me a hand over here, you're going to get a light that comes on here. It tells you that you're overloading the circuit, you're putting too much draw on it. Get the red light means we're overloading the circuit. So you want to let off. You don't want to keep that going because you'll burn up the generator. So this is the basic setup of the lights and power tools.